Hey there, guys. I hope you are having a good day, my gracious friends. If you are in Florida, South Carolina, Georgia, please be cautious. Good grief. Dorian just kind of popped up, and there he is, and it's like, wow, you know, gained strength and like no time flat. I have friends in the Turks and Caicos, so I sure do hope that those folks are okay, and all those in Puerto Rico. Just thinking of everybody like down south. I am going to play with some chippy bits this morning. As I am processing, as I am cutting things, I keep this little basket at my cutting board, cutter thing. That's way over full. I need to deal with some of this now, but the cool thing about it is that you know, it's not very cluttery. It's not very big. It's kind of small. I know exactly what's in here. I don't put anything else in there. This morning, I did cut a few word strips out of the 12 by 12 sheet that I had about half left, so I kind of processed that as well. So I thought we would marry these two little babies together and see if we could come up with some fun chippies today. I used to make these for the shop, and I loved making them, and then it got to where it was ridiculously expensive to mail them, so I just stopped making them, but I sure do miss making them. So we're going to sit here today and just play with some chippy bits. I encourage you guys to get out a project, whether you're making ATCs or whether you want to, you know, maybe you've been saving some things for chippy bits, or maybe you have purchased a recent journal from my shop. I've been including chippy kits in each journal. They are usually in like a little organza bag or something like that. If you've been purchasing the Halloween journals, they're in a small treat bag that has a sugar skull on it. I've just grabbed some stuff off the top, so that's what we'll work with. I like to work with chippies. I like to have like a background first. So something like this really does work nicely. And then I really do like to start in the middle. And because I've got a little bit of bee imagery right here, I am going to just use that as my middle portion. I've got my awesome Dick Blick. Oh my goodness, did you hear that voice? Dick Blick glue stick. Let me stand up for a minute because we probably aren't nearly close enough. There we go. There we go. And then we lost our light. There we go. So hopefully that'll be good. I have to tell you guys, this new cell phone, I'm kind of excited because I don't have to, with my other cell phone, I had to, it was just download, upload, you know, with photographs and things. I'm not complaining because my children's provide me with, they said, Mom's just really got to have a better phone than my track phone, which I had used. Honestly, I've used a track phone for years and years and years. And I'm kind of excited because next year, as Social Security dawns, I think, don't you get a free cell phone with Social Security? I'm wondering about that. That would be a happy day indeed. All right. So we've got that done. I am super fond of border strips, and I want to put a little border around here. So I'm kind of digging the green. Also kind of digging the blue. So, and I don't see any strips in here in the top of this basket. And wait a minute. Nope. Yeah, see, this is digging. This is digging. And this is what I try to avoid. You know, I try to avoid digging. So I'm just going to set that to the side and put the top on it. No more digging. When you dig, you lose time. When you dig, you get out of the creative flow. So I'm not fond of digging. I know it's a thing. It's just not my thing. Might be your thing. I think you know, as the world becomes more and more divisive, you know, it's okay. Whatever somebody wants to do, if they're not hurting anyone else, it's all right. Don't have to bother people so much. Your thing is not my thing. I think if we could just kind of come to that, you know, stop all the infighting and the yada, 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 we'd all be happier. If we could improve our rhetoric, I think we would all be a whole lot happier. Whew. I mean, it's sometimes I do occasionally watch the news, and it's like, whoa, you know, are we 10, man? You know, are we on the playground at school? Gee whiz, that language is just so harmful. So harmful. Okay, I have this, you know, just a little word pack here. And I think I'm going to use the word story. I think that makes, and there we go. We have done a sweet little chippy with bees. Ooh, hey, that's way too close. Hang on. Sorry. I'm trying to be more patient. There we go. I'll just hold it up like this so you guys can see it. All right, let's do another one. And I'm just going to use this little piece right here. This is small, but I still have a little bee. It's honey season at the farm. All season is honey season. If you guys want to get like a medicine that's really good for allergies, try your local honey at your local farm stand. It is excellent for allergies. You know, we thought Mr. Kronk had allergies when he was coughing so terribly. But it turns out that that was heart disease. But I have to tell you guys, he loved his honey. He really, I would get the bottle out and he was like, ooh, I like that. It's so sweet. I think it, you know, the vet said it was fine for him to have it because it soothed his little throat when he was coughing so bad. Don't think I'm ever going to get over it, y'all. Okay, there we go. We've got us a little bee on a blue background. That's sweet. Let's, we have this left over. So I think I'll put that up at the top. I can't let this take too long because we're going to make some junk journals today. Get those babies in the shop. What do you think? Kind of like that. It says right. And maybe you can use that as a prompt, you know, a journal prompt. I feel like it needs something right here, but I'm not going to dig. So I'll need to just find something from this wee bit of paper that I pulled out. I think I should have, oops, it stuck down a little too hard. All right, I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'll come back and finish it in a minute. I'm not gonna think about it too much. Here we go. You know, and you can finish these. I mean, you can take them to a point and then you can finish them with some bling or, you know, borders or whatever you want to do. think I'm going to really take advantage of this white background here. Just kind of do something like that. Kind of like that. Or lace, you know, you could do lace or something with this as well. Any sort of fabric element would look really super cool. I am really interested in making fabric tassels. I saw a video last night about making fabric tassels. And I thought, you know, I think that's something I would like to do. So we're gonna maybe make some necklaces, some tassel necklaces with beads. There we go. I think that needs a border. Oh, my scissors are sticky. All right. We'll do this. There we go. That's kind of cool, isn't it? So, I mean, what you essentially are doing, you guys, is kind of making your own embellishments. You can put some double stick tape on the back and have yourself a handmade, homemade sticker. Let's see, kind of like that. I am really taking advantage of the white space. Of course, I mean, you can use that as a chippy blank. You know what I'm talking about? But I don't know what it is about white this morning. You know, I'm just kind of digging on the white space. Put that there. Try and find a word that would fit. It's going to have to be small. Story, lifetime. I've already done one with story. I kind of like the words let's go. It is my ardent desire to one day have a backpack packed up at the door, and if somebody says let's go, I would like to go. Not possible now, but who can say what will happen, right? You never really know. I'm going to put a border on this. And this is the last one that we'll do today. I really do encourage you guys to use those chippy bits. You know, keep them, keep them small, keep them compact, keep them in a, just a small container. Don't go big box. Go small box. Go small organization. And then, maybe once a week, or this would be an awesome little start box project, or maybe a sweet little project to do, as you're watching the telly. I have not been watching television I have been reading a great Agatha Christie autobiography, which I'm really enjoying so much. All right, guys, so we have done a few chippies this morning. Keep those scraps, but keep them in a small box so you don't have a lot to deal with. You don't have any organization or any categories or anything like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon. Bye.